One in respect for the election of regional male older persons where we had contestation. Mbabazi Paul of NRM has obtained 114 votes. To Hero Jackson, who was the independent candidate in this election, obtained 70 votes. Signed by all the agents and signed by Presiding Officer Baine Robert at Akasha Country Inn, Mbarara City. This Form OP1 was signed at 16:54 hours.
Oria tayari West Rizoba taturi Akasha Inn Western Regional Old Persons Conference agenda misho Rizoba kandi kahwa kurunja mnonga kabakebembiro Electoral Commission kandi wabakebembiro katezamu yabari Baine Robert obunyine ezeshaha naza kutugambira okwa karura ka agenda kandi no kukahendera. Oria tayari West eshaheji tugambira karura kabakirinju ka agenda kata.
Right. Yebare mnonga. Earlier in the day na namurikire ahamu kutugwawe abakutureba nabaturikize ngo kutwa kirabwire bo kushaba ababakwenda kwesimbaho harugayo abashija bashatu babagurusi ameno mucyaro umwe ari umugurusi mbwenu amuheru gwa byona omucyaro gwe yarabamu atine cyakanisa twamudikira yarinjiro rede dero omubashija bashatu abo omwe yacaturangu yarugo mukazano so hasigarayo bakandesi babiri umwe bakumweta Mbabazi Paul wa NRM undijo bakumweta Tuhirwe Jackson wa independent ya chuzinga symbol ya book narishi ekitabo. Fast forward amherwa byona Mbabazi Paul yeyamu obururu 114 and then to Hero Jackson yeyamu 70. So the declaration of results forms that I have nizerekangu NRM yatwara za slots zona is male and female delegate for the Western Regional Delegates Conference for Older Persons 2025.
Tana piyeri zoba ya agenda takanche chare tera yatambara huko yatambara.
Right. No ijuka nakumurikira ngo buri district yane yohereza ba delegates batanu. Wateza mu districts 38 ezo mu Western Uganda abona abantu 109. Kutwaza kubara omubaro gwatoreka ngo only 4 delegates did not turn up. So the voter turnout was high. Out of 190 members, 186 turned up to vote. So the exercise nindeba hakurujira mubare ababakirinju bo mu region ya Western buzima akaruruba bakejwanza muno mutima gumwe kandi kakali akihorera.
Hati ninye Mbabazi Paul nko kumwandora ndugire Fort Portal ndi chairperson wa Fort Portal Older Persons Council. Kyonka obunahika hanu nasobora kukomwa nka male delegate agenda kwebembera kukuratira abakayikuru n'abagurusi mu Western Region habwa National Council. Baite kinkwenda kubamanyisa National Council eno bwo kugihura eroho igwo murimo gwayo mukuru gwenyini gwa nugwo gwenyini kurora anti yatahebiragire ebikuyamba habakayikuru hands on ground baitu kubetaina vibrant delegates nkanyowe nkurora hanu Mbabazi amwe senior mobilizer kandi cadre of NRM cyankora kurungi nagena ni flag bearer amugoyi ningenda kuyamba mukukonyera bagenzi banga bali ha National Council turole ebiragiro bikireke mu ground kandi bihondere hansi kandi bigaruka higuru ba member parliament babiteho umukono nuko bitsobole kurorera bakayikuru bayito nicyo kigenderwa cyayitwe kikuru muno habwa National Council.
Abwatari West ndi Olivia Kamsim.